Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala, in this video we will practice reading and writing in the Arabic language. This video is for beginners who want to start learning Arabic from the scratch. Let's get started with the first letter. What do we call this letter in Arabic? Very good, the letter Sinun, Sinun, Sin. We put Fatha, Sa, Sa, Sa. And then the letter Ha. The letter Ha. We put Fatha, Ha, Ha, Ha. Very good job. And then the letter Ba. The letter Ba. We put Fatha, Ba, Ba, Ba. Excellent. So we will try to connect those letters together. Let's get started with the first one. The letter Sin in the beginning. We put Fatha, Sa, 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 Sa. And then the letter Ha. Fatha, Ha, Ha. Sa, Ha, Sa, Ha, Sa, Ha, Sa, Ha. And then the letter Ba. We put Fatha on the top. Ba, Ba, Ba. Sa, Ha, Ba. Sa, Ha, Ba. Sahaba. 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 This is Sinun in the beginning, this is Ha'un in the middle, and this is Ba'un in the final or in the end. Very good job. Sahaba. And this is mean in English. He withdrew. He withdrew. He withdrew. Okay? He withdrew. Very good job. Sahaba. 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 Excellent. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it and see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. مع السلامة.